Hello students, hope all is well from your side. In our previous class, we have solved exercise 7.1 and today we will start exercise 7.2. But before starting the topic, let us learn the formula, and the formula is known as section formula. So we will study first about section formula and then we will proceed to the numericals. Now see, first of all, we will learn about what is section formula. So see, here we have to prove that the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. Okay, we have to prove that the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 internally in the ratio m is to n are given by x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus 1 and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so first we will see that how it divides internally in the ratio. Suppose this point P divides internally in the ratio m is to n. Okay, so see how this section formula comes out. So see, for this just see this figure. Okay, just see these coordinates. Here we have given all the coordinates. Okay, in this, first of all we will assume let O be the origin and let OX and OY be the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let us assume first OX and OY be the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Now see, here we have to find the section formula. Okay, so first let us assume A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be the given points. Here, to find the section formula, we will assume A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be the given points and let xy be the coordinates of the point P. This is point P whose coordinates is what? X and y. Okay, which divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Okay, m is to n. Now see, to prove the section formula, what we have to do first, we will draw AL, okay, perpendicular to OX, BM perpendicular to what? OX, and PN perpendicular to OX. Also, we will draw AH. Also, we will draw AH, okay, and PK perpendicular from A and P on PN and BM respectively. Is that okay? Now see, then what we will do here, now you see here, OL is equals to x1, ON is equals to x, OM is equals to x2. Is that okay? AL, here AL y1, after that P and y and BM, that is y2. Okay, now see here students, here AH is equals to what? LN, okay, is equals to ON minus OL, that is equals to x minus x1. PH is equals to PN minus HN, PN minus HN, okay, and which is equals to PN minus AL is equals to Y minus Y1. Now see, PK will be what? PK will be equals to what? NM, PK will be equals to NM, which is equals to OM minus ON, x2 minus x, and BK is equals to BM minus MK, which is equals to BM minus PN is equals to Y2 minus Y. Now here you observe something. Clearly, triangle AHP and PKB are similar. These two triangles are similar. So, if two triangles are similar, then sides will be equal. AP by BP is equals to AH by what? PK, and which is equals to PH by BK, and we will substitute the values. Okay, so all the values we got, so we will substitute all the values. Okay, now Now see here, so here we have written let O be the origin, let OX and OY be the x-axis and y-axis respectively, let AX1, Y1 and BX2, Y2 be the given points, let XY be the coordinates of the point P which divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Then we have drawn AL perpendicular to OX, BM perpendicular to OX, PN perpendicular to OX, and again we have drawn AH and PK perpendicular from A and P on Pn and Bm respectively, and then we have written the values of all OL, then ON, AL, okay, all the values we have written. After that, from these two triangles AHP and PKB, these two triangles are similar, so therefore AP by BP is equals to AH by PK is equals to PH by BK. So here you see this we have taken as M and N. So M by N, here this we have taken as M and N. Okay, so this is M and this is N. So now look here, M by N. Here M by N is equals to X minus X1 by X2 minus X is equals to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y. Now here M by N is equals to X minus X1 by X2 minus X1. Okay, so here we have M by N. M by N is equals to X minus X1 by X2 minus X. So now we will solve this. Mx2 minus Mx is equals to Nx minus Nx1. Now you take similar part one side, Mx plus Nx is equals to Mx2 plus Nx1. So x is equals to Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N, and M by N is equals to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y1. So similarly, after solving, My2 minus My is equals to Ny minus Ny1. So again similar terms, My plus Ny is equals to My2 plus Ny1. So y is equals to My2 plus Ny and by M plus. Thus the coordinates of P are Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N and My2 plus Nyn by M. This is our section formula. This is all about our section formula. So our section formula, to find the coordinates, we will use Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N and My2 plus Ny by M plus N. Okay, after that other formula is midpoint formula that we know from our previous class also. Even though, just see, if P is the midpoint of AB, then it divides AB in the ratio 1:1. So its coordinates are x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. So our midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is all about our section formula, and in our next class we will learn about all the numericals, how we will solve. Okay, so this much for this class and rest in the next class. Till then, have a good day.